Standing can be done in many ways. You can parallel your feet. You can turn them out a bit. But bending the knees a little bit gives yourself space. You have space in your feet. It's coming up through those arches, your knees, up into the pelvis, your triangle, the two sits bones in the front of the pelvis, and into your guts, this big vessel, this big bowl of emotion most of us hold there where our stomachs are. You can have your feet out, or you can take a wider stance, again, bending the knees a little bit. To fully engage both the pelvis and the lower stomach, you can press into your feet, right? The balls of your feet. Pardon me, I'm gonna burp. Right? All this stuff is gonna come out. So while you're here, there's no choice but to find that pelvis, that triangle. If you can only do it for a second, that's okay. You can shake it out. This is what it looks like from the side. Again, I have my guts out a little bit, right? I'm gonna sit down, find my pelvis, and stand up. I can go a little bit wider off the yoga mat. Sit lower and find my center. I can find my center while I'm standing with my feet turned out. And I can find my center with my feet parallel. Either way, the goal is to breathe into your center, to use that center self. We're going to use that for meditations. We're going to use that for bioenergetics. We're going to use this for self-healing. This is how we digest. We digest emotions. We digest them through the body, but they do have to come through the stomach as well. And our pelvis, and ground down into the ground to let them go.